I'm not just a serial cheater, bafethu. I'm a serial liar. Sometimes I'm a serial Ramaphosa.
Mzansi and the world, welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis Mohomo. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button.
Ukuba nalabo bhuti laba abangangeneki.
Sokhuluma nami ke.
Akekho rude.
Nhlobo.
Akaphapheleki.
Nhlobo.
Sawubona.
Ya,
Njani?
ngiyaphila.
Abantu baze bathi hayibo. Hayi umuntu wakho uyakhuluma uthi uyakhuluma uyahleka. Hayibo.
Akubonakala ehleka lo.
Hlekisa ubheyi wakhe kuphela.
Ngiyahleka phela nakuwe ngoba usuke usungikhombise lento engenza ngihleke.
Hleka sibo.
So sekufanele manithole yona. Kodwa ngale kwalokho kwawena nje. So ngingahleki ngoba ngihleka nawe. Naso isikhathi uhamba ngisineka.
Ngiyabaza ubhuti abanjani.
Umuntu wathesitshayisa nini?
Angisho yazi.
Ya phela at least ungitshela uma usuza khona ngizoshiya isikhe emnyango. Ngithi ungitshela uma usuza khona ngizoshiya isikhe emnyango.
Hey baba, speak English.
Khona ngizoshiya isikhe emnyango ngiyasho nje.
Fanele ukusuza nesikhe hlangana kanjani?
Ukusuza.
Ngitshele ngisuza.
Ngithe ungitshele uma usuza la endlini.
Ene re tso motabenza ha o beang o imile o le lesbian. Grootman, o ira beang gate. Toba.
Why is Afrikaans?
Ke ile Setswana ko sekolong.
Like motho hang phonela ne. Re kona o 100. A tsaba ke reng? Wena o tlo reng? O 100.
Kore sorry. Askis? Kore askis?
Mputsise nna.
O 100.
Kazi yamar.
Ha.
Mara yamar ra gore mnati.
Ha na.
Oh mara
Yamar. Yamar, I'm sorry.
Ay ba. Ke tsholo na o itshilong.
I'm sorry.
Askis ke msore ke.
Kukhuphuke udiesel kwakhuphuka upetrol akekho ngekho broke even abathakathi laba sithakatha aba broke baphelelwe imali ukusithengela ukudla esemaphupheni phela besidla thina emaphupheni besidla thina emaphupheni sidla kudliwe inyama kudliwe into abantu ligcinile ulupho lelo phupho ugcinile ulupho uphuphe udla ebusuku isinelo ka happening kwabona abathakathi ba broke manje kwabona abathakathi ba broke kushubile ngempela abathakathi ba broke abasanda igross lade besithengela abantu abadlisana ebusuku nawe uyona ka eating at night uyaphuca. Why what you eating? Uthakathi uyangiphakela lana ayisekho lonto because kushubile yonke indawo yakho.
I'm just sitting here thinking of how South Africans blue ticked a whole virus. But Hunter virus news making headlines. The numbers are going up. South Africa. We said no, we're busy.
They want to say vaccine.
Haona motho a hlapa matsatsi a 365. Le gale. Ba ba ntse re tsheka le bona bo 119.
When else did you come? When else did you come together at the same time to go praise the Lord? Come to
now, well, man. Just for jars. How is it working? You say when when last did you come together to pray in the Lord? What trigger, man?
Guys, phuthumani Nkosi yami nilungise ama-dress konke namasudu. Ngathi yahlangana Nkosi phela ke indaba yami yokuvula i-dry clean. Hey, Nkosi yami.
Ngicela ungithengele iphone engizokhuluma nawe wedwa.
Angizwa?
iPhone. Reconnecting. Network.
Is there no patient?
Le network isiyahlupha iqalile sithando wathi ngivale lo live lo
Hey, it will clip every time. Kiri, khabata gore nna. Yo! Yoza, come back. Kiri, if you want me to talk to you alone, you have to buy me a new phone.
Network yabaleka manje.
Ngiyavala themba lami ngiyavala manje. Awuthi ke.
Vala ukayibona. Now vala angithi like bua wena. Uvale hela ka bona.
Awuthi ngiqale phansi themba lami.
Don't leave yo.
Huh? Mana ngizoqala phansi phinde ngibuye.
Uya kai.
Yey. Mafako zemali. Ngithi ukushayisa ngo-step back abuyise kahle umqondo. Mangibuya la ngifuna ukubuya ikhanda lakhe selihluzekile ukuthi ufuna.
Angeke uzoyifuna iPhone yakhe.
Umuntu usumnika inamba ufike kini akubhalela singikubona nini baby.
Leyo system ke ile abayibiza ngokuthi straight to the point.
Oh yeah.
Ngezulu bathi ke hlala odabeni.
Oh okay.
Mana wena lokhu uzakhe. Umnikeleni inamba umfana. Ha? Mufune ukwenzelani simswap?
Namolomo ga go mogolo fitla kae bana ke sa re ke a bolela ko meeting stutla se re go tsena ga no.
And then black people who speak English fluently are not trying to be white. They just achieve the learning outcomes of the subject. 12 years is a very long time in school to come out and say, my name is.
A dumelanga groupung ya family amana go telele family ana ke dumelana le lona ntshongo le ngontse le bua mona a ke utla le bua ntse tsena le kelelo ka magana go telele ntshombo ga nsela E1 o bona be re bua ka taba tsa bo ditšhelete ga gadi le malomehle go ba batshotsi magolana re bua ka maloya batho mabola ya batho tlametse ga gadi ke ena a hlameng ka groupung ka mo lo re bua ka ditšhelete o thotse ha re next. And wena malume Tshepo o tlhono tlwele taba tsa bo boitlamo gore wena o tla patala dikho hona dikho a patala mona o tla botlo go tlela ka di-click mona le dilakane mona le masele ka reng a makoma mo go butle pele ka ntotlo gore ke dikho tse ka o kopa ene le wena matsela lo go tlwele be sala re kopane re family bontse yo di moletsa se ka mpa ya e hlodiste skiping
yini e fridge in Afrikaans
Virgil It's Virgil. Yini umbhede ye-Afrikaans?
Ba.
Eh?
Ba. Yini usofa nge-Afrikaans?
Kawjo.
Unamanga.
Yini?
Sofa. I-Afrikaans leyo sofa uhlala leyo sofa ekasimuka sofa.
Okay, big.
How?
Okay, yini cellphone ye-Afrikaans?
Ay. Magale gogwyn.
Magale gogwyn boss.
Yini amehlo nge-Afrikaans awazi.
Ay bokahle indaba uthangazi.
Okay.
Indaba no sondela. Indaba uthangazi.
Bephendula musuku idonsisi.
No,
baba ungalo ukuthi ekes isho uthina amehlo nge-Afrikaans.
More.
Baby.
Yini?
It's cake.
Ay, cake is to see.
Yo ubona ngani? Ubona ngani wena? Yo so imapefet. Ubona ngani wena?
Ngamane kuliwe ke manje.
Baby ubona ngamehlo cake ke lo.
And after matswantsa ya hae ka di-30 re fokotsa dingaka le ba bantši no
uyamona makahambe makahambe wena what is your name wena that's called Maphuma where from Emmanuel I'm from South Africa
Emmanuel,
what is this one?
Look
at this. Kuluma man, ungasimoshela isikhathi lana wena. Box of tiles. This not tiles wena.
Box of tiles, Emmanuel. Guys, take care and stay well as I shall be enjoyed.
Molweni guys, I hope you all are good. Igama lam Ndinguzanele. I'm a South African who currently legally lives and teaches English in South Korea. I've been following on this crisis that is going on back home about illegal immigrants demanding to be sheltered in South Africa for reasons I'll never understand. I'm a foreigner in this country. I'm here by visa. There's certain rules I have to abide by, and failure to do so, I'll be deported within a blink of an eye. I have a responsibility to go to the immigration office every year to show that I'm still fit enough to carry on my duties as a teacher. Should I change my address, my physical address, I have a responsibility to go to the immigration office to let them know within 2 weeks of like changing my address. Failure to do so would result to me having to pay a certain fine. Also, there's things I cannot do in this country, and if ningafunyanwa taking part in those things, I'd have to be deported. I know my do's and don'ts in this country because I know that if ndiendafunyanwa ndizenza ezo zinto, that's going to be the termination of my visa in this country. So I know to be a legal and abiding foreigner, you know. And then there are people who are in South Africa illegally, and they think they have like the rights to be rude and demand to not be thrown away or like be taken home or like be deported. I was watching a live by, what was his name? Kenny West or something. That's a very rude Congolese man. I don't know who he thinks he is, because I myself, where I am right now, I'm a foreigner. But I know what I should do and what I should not do because I am Dinglengile Apa. Because I know if I do something that is wrong, I'm going to be taken back home. And it's literally home. For as much as I'm going to be losing my job and everything, it's home, guys. And that's why I got to be taken back home. And also, I think people tend, especially South African people, they tend to overlook Lendo Yoba. Why are people being deported back home? Because I was seeing on a lot of videos when someone takes a video of foreigner people and they think they're actually nice people, but amani nice lona bonakala ngathi nobele makahlale no nayi makangahambi lona blah blah blah. Excuse me, I feel like people are losing the plot of why the people are being deported in the same place, because they are not in South Africa legally. They are not in South Africa legally. Whether you're a nice person, whether you bring so much change to the community, whether is kia, whether we are but if you're there illegally, then you have to abide by the laws of a certain country if you want to be part of it. And yes, why South Africa I honestly do not know. I've been in South Korea for almost 2 years now. I'm about to start my 3rd year, and I know very well that should I do anything that I'm not supposed to do, they would never think twice. They would have to take me home immediately. So I really wish that South Africa could also have this sense of, I don't know what to call it, but amanyamazwe, for example, the one that I'm in, law is very followed in South Korea, and there isn't even that much of crime. Like, I wouldn't even compare South Africa to the country that I'm in right now because it's very safe in like many terms. So I really wish Nam, as a foreigner in this country, I could have this back home, you know, because it's way too different. That is why these foreigner people feel it's okay to just get in there, speak however they want and do however they want, because akomthetho ikhaya lingenamthetho kwakhona abantwana bayangena bayaziphumela kukwavula zibuqa. I really wish that this cause that's going to happen on the 30th of June will actually make a difference, and it's going to be a new start for our country, you know. That would really be a nice thing, because hi mani, that's just, it's too much.